Have you ever opened a huge project, hundreds of files, endless folders, and spent hours just figuring out where things are? You search, you scroll, you jump between files, and by the time you find that one function, your flow is gone. Now imagine this. You open Cursor AI, type, "Hey, refactor my login logic," and within seconds it knows exactly where that logic is, how it works, and what could break if you change it. That's not magic. That's context awareness, and it's one of Cursor AI's superpowers. Unlike traditional editors that only see the file you're working on, Cursor AI looks at your project as a whole. The moment you open a repo, it quietly starts indexing every single file, understanding how functions, imports, and dependencies connect. It builds a mental map, a knowledge graph of your code base. So when you ask something like, "Where is this API used?" or "Can you optimize my login flow?" it doesn't just autocomplete, it answers with intelligence. Here's where it gets even cooler. Let's say you're a tester working on Playwright scripts. You ask Cursor, "Add retry logic to all API tests." Normally, that's hours of manual effort, opening files, editing code, copy-pasting logic, but Cursor understands your entire tests directory. It identifies your shared utilities, finds all API call patterns, and applies the changes consistently across your project, all in seconds. That's not coding assistance, that's AI collaboration. And it's not just about writing new code. Cursor can trace bugs, refactor old logic, and explain complex functions in plain English because it actually remembers your code base. Every accepted suggestion teaches it your style, your patterns, and your structure. The more you use it, the more it feels like a teammate who just gets your code. So the next time you're buried in a giant repo, don't fight your files. Talk to them through Cursor. It sees the big picture, understands your intent, and helps you move faster with clarity and confidence. Artificial intelligence won't replace developers or testers, but tools like Cursor are showing us what's next. AI that codes with us, not for us. If you've tried Cursor, drop your thoughts below, and if not, maybe it's time to give your IDE some intelligence. Follow for more stories where AI meets QA and testing innovation.